Hello, this is Shion Costello here on Alloy Day 43 at Experimental Sound Studio in Chicago. And today I'm going to be working on an upcoming artist walk that I'm leading with the Good City Group. And it's going to be listening to the train tracks and the sounds of in and around the train station in particular, a Metra train station commuter rail line. And yeah, so I'm excited for that. It's going to be basically a new assignment for me in terms of prepared piano sounds. And I'm going to start by just listening and thinking about how to portray the trains and the train station through the piano and what kind of effects might work well with that. All right, let's see where it goes. Okay, a couple of sounds that I came up with. This probably took the most time, finding a way to make that bell sound on the train. This is 2 bolts and 2 felt strips. C sharp is way louder. I'm playing it way louder than the F sharp, and I'm doing a sort of a grace note, a clump, clump, clump. This one has a felt muting on the leftmost string only. This has felt muting on the 2 strings to the left. Same bolt in each on the in between the 2nd and 3rd strings. Important sound effect is using a felt pad low in the low end. With the pedal down, you can tremolo on 1 note. It's the best way to get a sound of the pitch with as little hammer attack as possible, so it's just as continuous of a sound as possible, like a rumbling train. Another good effect is making the sound of cars passing on the street, the tires against the street. This is a piece of tin foil. These aren't really prepared piano effects, but this is the sound of the engine as it pulls in and it starts to go down in pitch. And this is the sound of the screeching brakes. All right, well, that's a wrap on day number 43. This is the event. It's part of the Good City Artist Walk program, and I'm going to be making, wherever I wrote that, sounds on the prepared piano to make demo improvements using the sounds that we uncover in the walk. And the walk is all around the train station here. I came up with some really cool sound effects. I played a little bit of it just now, and I hope you enjoy that, using felt padding, tin foil, thicker felt pads cut into smaller strips, bolts. It's been really fun. I can even hear the train in the background as I do this, so it's been really nice to open my ears and give myself a brand new challenge. And I can't wait for the event, Saturday, July 5th. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching the Alloy video log, day 43, and I hope you consider subscribing to the channel and following further explorations in prepared piano on this channel. Thank you very much.